Hello everyone, this is a quick review on this trading software called Galileo FX Trading Robot. This is a completely automated algorithmic solution for MetaTrader 5. I did take a deeper look into the website and all information provided by the creators, and I have a few problems which I'm going to discuss in this review. There are a few annoying things on the website, like this special offer, and there's some pop-ups which also kind of push you to buy the product. Now, in terms of website, it's okay looking website, but nothing special, just a bunch of stock photos and some weird claims like the win rate here. We're gonna discuss everything within this review. Now, the first problem which I see is that the creators are completely anonymous, it's never good. Now, I did found one photo, this one, which is supposedly to be the creator of this software. I did search the photo, and there are a bunch of search results which are appearing, and they're related with different names, so that's not really a good sign. Now, I don't know, maybe this is a creator, maybe it's not, I don't know, it just looks a little bit weird. I was unable to find anything else related to this photo besides a bunch of different names and a bunch of different websites. Another thing which is a little bit weird is that there is like literally countless positive reviews, and they all seem fake, and that's quite typical for scam websites, so I really don't like that. It like gives this unrealistic feeling, and I really don't like that when I see it on websites. Most websites which have this approach are just scam websites. So this is something which I really dislike. Another thing which I want to point out, and after that we are going to move to the claims, is that I couldn't find any reasonable and deep explanation about the strategy nor the inputs behind Galileo FX, which is it's not serious. I cannot take this bot as a serious software when this is the explanation about software and there is no explanation about the inputs. So it's kind of strange, right? Now let's move to the claims. The first claim is that you're going to get 130 pre-configured settings, but in the same time they are trying to upsell you and sell you a premium package of above $1,000 for their settings, and they also have separate settings, which is that's a little bit too much to me. It's a little bit too much. Considering the price of the robot is quite high, I'm gonna show you a little bit later the price. The next claim which I want to discuss is about the accuracy. Now there are two very problematic sentences here which really bother me, and they are very typical for scam websites. Now, the first claim is that they maintain average accuracy of 97%, 96, whatever. Now, this is completely impossible. It's a total misleading, bogus claim for them to be claiming that they on average achieve 97% win rate for the past 2 years. Now, we're gonna check the performance in a second, and I already did check the performance, but yeah, this is super misleading. It's unrealistic, and they pretty much lie about the accuracy, which I don't like. Now, obviously, I understand that the internet, you have to make your product to look very good so you can sell it, but that's out of this world. This is a false claim, and we have another false claim here. They try to mislead their clients that manual trading typically only achieve 5% success rate, which is also not realistic. So, two very disturbing claims here, which I totally dislike. The next claim is about verified performance on MyFXBook. First, it's very easy to fake out performance on MyFXBook, but their performance is not even verified, so that's another misleading claim here. And now let's move to the so-called verified results, and we'll check them together. They have uploaded here a strategy tester. I did download it and it's on demo, but that doesn't bother me. If it's okay that it's on demo. And here we can also see the inputs. And honestly, here I see only two inputs which are generating the strategy, so it seems like a very simple strategy. All the other inputs, which is the lot size, risk percentage, max orders, parameter stop loss, take profit, trailing, etc., they are all necessary inputs for every robot to work. So the only strategy generators here which I see are those two inputs, which seems tells me that this is not very serious software. and it's for very short period of time. It's 1 minute trading for very short period of time, and they're not, showing the 2-year results, which they claim 97% win rate, which we already know that it's a false claim. So I'm definitely not impressed with this one. The only thing which is okay is the drawdown, but it's very short period of time, so it's strange. Anyway, let's check the MyFX book. This is their account. It's pretty much empty. We have some results here, but the problem with MyFX book, first, they are not verified results. Second, they have uploaded only 1 week of the month or 2-3 months, only the place where the results seems good, like, so they can make the product look good. I'm not impressed. Now let's check just a few of them. This is your USD, and at first sight the results look okay. From January to August the growth is only 10%, 11%, and what bothers me is the drawdown. 20% drawdown. This is pretty much a drawdown which will kill your account. It's very not okay, and their highest percentage here is on gold. And I have 3 problems with the gold result here. First, it's only 1 week, which is totally obvious that they have chosen specifically the week where this bot is profitable with gold. The second problem is the drawdown, 62%. This drawdown, and everything above 15%, like above 10% is risky, 60% is going to 100% blow your account. So that's another very big problem. And the third and most major problem probably is that they even claim that they are trading gold. Now, mainstream brokers in Europe, which are regulated, in USA, which are regulated, they do not calculate gold properly on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. So it's literally impossible to write a robot which is trading gold on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 with regulated broker. Down here we have some videos which are also a little bit ridiculous. Now, regarding the backtesting here, the guy is backtesting gold, and here you see how many gold he has. He was searching for the week where this, software was profitable with gold, and he did upload that on MyFX as well. Now, I have also problem with the way he's backtesting. I mean, it tells me that this guy has never opened the strategy tester, or he's not very familiar with it. Now, first, he's backtesting on 0 latency, and that's impossible. Usual latency, because you have between MetaTrader and you and the broker, you have a third party. Usually, the latency is around 130 ms. But even with super nice internet, even if you use virtual server, it's around 30 ms. So 0 latency is not the proper way to do a backtesting. So choosing 0 latency is not really the thing you want to do, because you'll get corrupted results from the simulation, and also modeling on every tick is not the proper way. If we open MetaTrader, we'll see that we have, latency here, minus 39, which is, it's not toward the server, it's just my MS is 39. And later in the video, the guy actually shows that his MS is 50. So usually you want to backtest on 50, and not every tick, but every tick based on real ticks. So I mean, here the guy is not even familiar with the backtesting tool of MetaTrader, so everything looks very fishy to me. And yeah, his MS is 50, like it's not 0 latency. Now let's move to the pricing. Whatever personal is 200 euro, which is a limited version, which you don't want to buy, and then you have another limited version which is 600 euro, and the one which to get everything pretty much is 900 euro. Now, this is a very high price, especially when you have false claims like 96, 97% win rate, which is impossible. You know that this is not true. So this is a very high price for something which is full of false claims. And now let's go and do the verdict. So should you consider this software, or should you go ahead and just buy it, or should you avoid it? My personal opinion and my verdict here is that you should avoid that trading software. Galileo FX is quite expensive, and the website is full of misleading information, which is going to build false expectations in you. So when you round everything up, it's just, I don't like it, and I think you should avoid it. That's my personal opinion. Thanks for watching, and see you with the next one.